Kesorkar Meghalaya kalapin kop burom ye Nongñiah bat Nongbud jong ke bos elektrik jong kesorkar namar kejing Shlur ban yadai ki nonglet nongwan ha Khubor baja kejing syak kawang mau kat ba ke bos kadang yat linti lingba ke shnong wa kedat. Lapin kop burom ye driver full moon well lingdo bat u conductor ban man bha marwen jong ke bos elektrik ke bos Jongngi ke berani registration number ML not Sun EH Sun not South Sun dekat tanat Urban Affairs, balai sengo baru mar shipau hajar tingka. Ketika jingja kalaja haka khat kendai trik nailar, haka por kumba san puwe jan mit, haka ba ketika pos ke bakamai na Air Force sya IIM, kare kendo ek jingya pat ba rali hawa kedat nong mensong. Kirunar kila kawang mau ya ke bos bat penprai ke yit pasyakmat jongka, kabulabu ikinong let nong wan haka jingma. Katkum ke jing ong jong ke tenat kinong tre jong ke bos kim shim lapin I jingking. Katkum ke jing ong jong ke tenat kinong tre jong ke bos kim shim lapin I jingting. Hakini ke jing jah henry ki aimin si mi ki pai ba ban om sir. Nongbud ulay thu ba ula betha mardor kinong let nang wan ban dem syapok bat ban ri. Kat ba Nongñiah klem sir ulanya e ke bos jaka ba shngan ki basyong ha ke bos.
Sering kan sisian ibat soi mal dan tikawang dan dia ayat sudah bak waka bas kayak ayat akan be ayat tang lari lang hadir tapi sajar di par
good boss is important.
teh atau Khubor mau ki passenger wan panik ra mau ba reach spot mau spot bisa kini non travel semua apa gedam teh tu hi hari video saya sepang tu saya lihat kan
hanga mamai ke ngan put perkara bang ken sala kuntu babangnya dengan highlight saya ki baknya bang funge tiki nang yang sat kinda nang makinda sumki oi masun kawama untuk pat akan bang among na bos dengan su ong ni ban ong na sinja kin dem sko batnoto kadang kato jik sakut blok dia ngal perkat ngal susun ngorwe sinja ong the deba ya ki masal sinja Mak kali letrik bangan pli jengkang ro kami acu.
Okay.
Mak sun balap pli jengkang kami acu kali.
So,
Ladangan pli jengkang kal lanang jual dulu. Nah, ia lek banyak suki kat berdala lek ke blok. Jakarta kina kawang dah. Tembang ayat ngelek banyak kan ada poi sama di perangan. Masa, tu mata kita pat. Namong itu orang seorang sinama biang besong hano. Niat bed no.
nuksa babha ba ka long ka ba Shlur. Ma ko mati tu si ga jingja. Da dai kum ki kui kila phet kila ri. Nje pi kham hin kham si pi yang be pi dai ki passenger sang ki kham I ka bas ban lat na ki da yang sisa halaki. Da bat punya da saya ka kham tam bat ya ka department.
I congratulate both drivers and civilians to perform your official duties with dedication, with responsibilities, and will be learning lots of experience issues and it will help in future. With these few words, I compliment this. Thank you. What I've seen in the video, you did a great job. Great job. You deserve very good. You know what he did? Those passengers who staying there, they asked them to get down. Reach spot. Hide yourself. That's the way how to deal in such a situation. Nagaland I today each and driver and conductor, but a very good job. Congratulations, Yuki Bravo. I hope Shillong ki nuksa. Example, other buses, not only the Khuborjylla, but all the private buses supplying Shillong. The Taki may God bless you and protect you every.
In the past few days, stories of hope and stories of bravery are very important. So thank you for keeping your calm, for protecting our passengers, and I can only imagine how difficult it must have been. But thank you for doing such a great job, and to the entire UMC. I mean, I meet you guys regularly, so I know the effort it takes. And the public transport public transport should be safe and should be reliable, and it's only because of people like you that it can be. So thank you so much, Khubor and congratulations.
Kajing start to pee ban perkat keluar ban oi ki no chong bus ki passengers ban re. Amal pikir tak pu mau cuman sendak tu ni. Hot. Uban ni kong tu wan yang tu akhwat ke bos ni. Uba abang cuman kong tu long pi kilati ni semua bekia hala ki beri apa ke bos tu. Ki kenika video ke apa keling sodong ka. Hindi tak na po Meghalaya, but I think in Assam also. It went viral, you know. And tamag people are very calm. Namad bapi kami bapi perkastet mapi kaya dead ndon manur go mensaw. Atat ka boss ka poy sa kaka baka di man poy. Namad ka di piklem halay ki, piklem provoke ki. You know, they don't provoke, they were so calm, you know, and they drove the bus.
Yes.
They ngatay barka kilaya rol ya pi. Nila penloy kan ga jingyala mikasni. Baka sorkar na ito pi ni ay kubay kamuda ka di ka ba arrange ka niya. Kini gidi key officers yung ka nga po muda. Hindi na nga kay pitu baburo le, ha? Na po urban affairs, tingni nilaya pen kre kan ga jingyala ngadasni na po urban affairs ban ay kusnami pi mo. Ti pilak pen poy ki sa yeng tingi ay ngo sibon pi bat kublay sibon. Nato ka man siyang kumpong buro from the bottom of my heart. We thank all people i Madam Saloni, i Kongri, i Secretary to Muda. But don't ni I know your P, but don't know. Thank you so much.